Hello everyone and a warm namaste from Namita's Delightful Dishes. Today we will be preparing a delightful South Indian bhindi curry with a blend of aromatic spices, creamy coconut and fresh cilantro. Join me as I share the family secret I learned from my mom. Let's get started. Start by rinsing the fresh okra to remove any impurities. Then gently pat dry each pieces with a kitchen towel. To avoid any unwanted sliminess, spread the okra on the kitchen counter for about an hour, allowing any remaining moisture to evaporate. Discard half an inch from both the ends of okra and cut the okra into 1-inch round pieces. Take a large sized onion and chop it roughly. Take the ginger, cut it into 1-inch piece, peel off the outer layer and chop it roughly. Take the garlic, remove the skin, and we will need approximately 5 garlic cloves for this recipe. Chop them roughly. Take 2 medium-sized tomatoes and chop them roughly. Add 4 tablespoons of oil in a large pan. Add the sliced okra. Sprinkle some salt. Stir them at regular intervals. Cook the bhindi for about 8 to 10 minutes. Ensure they become crispy. It's important to note that you should cook them until the sliminess disappears, but be careful not to overcook. Remove the crispy okra from the pan and set them aside. Let's prepare the masala paste. In a separate pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 dry red chilies. Add roughly chopped onions. Saute the onions until they turn translucent. Add the roughly chopped ginger and garlic. Saute them and sprinkle some salt. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Add roughly chopped tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes become soft and tender. Stir them occasionally to ensure even cooking. Now it's time for the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of curry powder for the extra kick. Saute them well. Reduce the heat to a simmer. Stir in 1/4 cup of grated fresh coconut and a small bunch of fresh cilantros. Let them cook for about 2 minutes, then turn off the flame and let the mixture cool slightly. Transfer the mixture to a grinder jar. Now add 1/4 cup of water to the mixture and grind everything into a fine paste. Add 4 tablespoons of oil. Add mustard seeds and let them splutter in hot oil. Add a full strands of curry leaves. Add dry red chilies and pinch of asafoetida. Pour the ground masala paste into the pan. Add some water to the grinder jar to get any remaining paste and adjust the water to your preferred thickness. We want a creamy consistency, so don't make it too thick or too thin. Let the curry cook for about 8 minutes until it begins to boil. When it starts bubbling, add the fried bhindi to the masala mixture and give it a gentle stir to ensure the bhindi is well coated. Adjust the salt and chili powder to taste according to your preference. Then lower the flame to medium, cover the pan with the lid and let it cook for an additional 10 minutes. Now it's time to add the finishing touches. If you're like me and love the aromatic essence of curry leaves, add a whole strands of curry leaves. You can enhance the flavors by tearing some curry leaves and adding them into the curry. This step is completely optional, so if you are not a fan of curry leaves, feel free to skip it and garnish your dish with fresh cilantro. Our South Indian okra curry is ready to be enjoyed. Enjoy it out with rice, roti, chapati or akki roti. Akki roti and bhindi curry was my mom's favorite combination for us. If you enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button below. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. Until next time, happy cooking. Take care.